This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by committing. This matters more than perfection. First, secure a licensed therapist for assessment so you know baseline functioning and safety. Then immediately start a 2-week log of avoidance triggers, note situations, thoughts, bodily sensations. Once done, pick one concrete short-term goal, attend one social event, or make one phone call. These steps create data and momentum. They change vague worry into something you can measure and slowly reshape. Now you move into active skill building. This is the heavy lifting. Work with your therapist on CBT, design behavioral experiments to test feared predictions, and use cognitive restructuring to challenge beliefs about rejection. Parallel to that, practice social skills. Rehearse short scripts, role play, and plan 5-minute interactions with feedback. Also, add daily mindfulness and distress tolerance exercises for 5 to 15 minutes. To finish, consolidate gains and scale them. Gradually raise challenge intensity, turn small wins into larger social goals, and review progress weekly to stay accountable. Build a support system, peers, group therapy, and scheduled therapist check-ins so you do not backslide alone. If you get stuck, first reassess goals and simplify your exposure hierarchy. If anxiety remains disabling, make sure to discuss medication options with a prescriber. One key troubleshooting tip: when setbacks occur, lower the step size and repeat exposures rather than stopping entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.